I know, it's been a minute. It's been a while since the last video, and I promise you there's been work getting done on the M5 wagon. It's been so complex lately. So much things going on, so much shit. Just, with that being said, we just got some new parts for the wagon M5. Welcome back to Yev's Builds, dude. We got some new parts for the wagon. They're sitting on the counter. You know what they are? They are some BCs, baby. Oh, look at this. New suspension bits are always so immaculate, dude. I love the feeling of new suspension bits. And granted, I know, the wagon had busted suspension anyway. I mean, all these bushings are pretty much shot, but I could do those later. Look at these ball joints, they're all torn apart. Terrible. I'll get to those later. I know, this is it's very dumb of me. In a way, very, very dumb, I understand, but we're gonna clean it all up completely eventually, just down the road. For now, I just want it to sit good properly. Yeah, dude, let's get going with these coilovers and I'll fill you in on the rest. Let's go, dude. To be completely honest, these were the easiest coilovers I've ever installed. Dude, so simple, so easy. It's great. Another news, I think it's pretty safe to say that wiring is done. It's all tucked, it's all looking nice. All that is tucked away. All the pillars, all this is tucked away. Extended a couple wires to mount this little bad boy right here in the factory mounting spot. That's all done. It's looking very nice. Of course I won't know until the panels are in there and all lined up. I still gotta find a mounting spot for this little guy, which I found down here, but I gotta extend a few wires. I'll leave that alone for now because I just want to make sure that all the panels actually fit and they don't protrude too much and nothing's in the way, because that will be a doozy. But let's get going with it, shall we? A couple hours later, we've got most of the interior in, aside from the headliner, obviously, in the A pillars, B pillars, C pillars. Those are going to get rewrapped in Alcantara. This panel doesn't fit because all of this is M5 stuff and it protrudes a little bit too much. This guy is completely just sitting out like right here. Not entirely sure what to do about that. I might just stuff him in, kind of go sideways, just enough for it to close, shave off these little brackets, whatever. We'll see. But for now, I am extremely satisfied. This is sick, dude. We've got full bench in the rear now. Full seats, they work, they slide, they open. This is gnarly, bro. Oh man. Found these plastic pieces that go in here. I'll leave it like this for now because it is on the ground and I want to go fill it up, drive it, because it's been way too long of me driving this car, but dude, it looks phenomenal. Definitely got to raise the front end a little bit just to match the rear. I do like the rear fitment. Oh my goodness, dude, this thing does not do justice on video. In person, this thing looks mental and I love it. Oh goodness, dude. Goodness gracious. The thing is, right now, as I'm filming this clip, it's Friday. My brother, whom you've seen on the channel many times, he's helped me out so much with this car, Dennis. He's moving out of state in 2 weeks exactly. By the time you're watching this video, he's probably already moved. It's getting real hectic, so he's never been to Cars and Coffee. And tomorrow, Saturday, the plan is to take this thing to Cars and Coffee. I don't care that the wires are dangling from the roof. I don't care. I just want to drive it. It's been a year and a half of me working on this, essentially. Really, never really drove it, aside from the first time I've driven it, right? But dude, it's looking good. I can't wait to feel the suspension, see how that goes, but I'll keep you posted, dude. Okay, this is some time later after you've seen the last post. I'm an idiot. I didn't bring this camera with me anywhere because I was way too excited. I completely forgot to film a lot. It was an incredibly exciting weekend. The first time I've actually driven the M5 wagon. Here's the problem, okay? This thing is solid, and this is why I was way too excited. Went to Cars and Coffee a couple days ago, got an alignment done, drove it, this and that. Just my friends seeing the car, just driving the thing over the weekend. I was on cloud 9, dude. I've never felt this feeling before, but this is the most rewarding, the most accomplished feeling I have ever felt, and I've been just ecstatic about it. So my apologies. Went over to my boy Justin and my girl Emily's house. They're moving to Florida, and he asked me to essentially just burn the hell out of my tires as his last wish before he moves. And how could I say no to that? I mean, this clip on Instagram kind of blew up a little bit.
Sure your neighbors are okay with this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not really entirely sure how to continue this freaking video anymore because it's kind of empty in a way. But I guess we'll just keep filming, keep working on it, and then I'll just, you'll see the outcome of this. I don't know, dude, but there's gonna be a lot of content going on with this M5. It is killer, dude. It is probably gonna get me in a lot of trouble. I'm just saying. Anyway, let's get back to work, shall we?